Okay, here's my quick how-to on making videos. I've done some flip classroom stuff before, so here's what I found is a quick and easy way to do this. Uh, for the videos, I've turned my spare bedroom into a little bit of an office here where I have a document camera. That's the way I like to make those videos. And then with that document camera, I use ImageMate is the software that just allows my camera then to be shown on the screen of my computer. So that's what you see here is I'm using that document camera, and then I have to open up ImageMate, which is what allows that to be seen on the screen. So I like to do this because then I can make my notes, and all that's really showing is my notes. And I'm not part of the video, just my voice and the notes. The other piece that I use to record the video is Screencast-O-Matic. Both of these software pieces are free. You can set up an account with Screencast-O-Matic, or you can just use a free recording piece. With that, it is a 15-minute video that you can make, which I don't ever really get to 15 minutes anyway. I try and make them short and sweet. The other nice thing I like about Screencast-O-Matic, it uploads directly to YouTube. So when I am done making a video, I click that I'm done, and then I upload it right to YouTube, and that makes it easy for me to share with my students. I share all of my stuff on Google Classroom. That's what our district uses, and so then I can upload it for them. I just attach it on something where here I have an outline video going over an entire unit, and then here is the units, kind of all the information in one place on a Google Doc, and that's how I have been sending out information to my students. Good luck.